The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you bring your desires into reality. With practice, you can use the law of attraction to create the life which you want. Hi, this is Nikhita Chavan. I am a personal development coach and a founder of Happiness Freedom Club. A minimalist with a strong spiritual foundation, I am on a mission to help 1 lakh people to take control of their life and reach a level of happiness and freedom using law of attraction. I am here to help you make positive changes in your life and have joy and freedom that you deserve. In this video, we will cover the basic of law of attraction and provide you with practical steps that you can practice in your life. Step 1. Understanding law of attraction. According to the theory of the law of attraction, like attracts like. In other words, the magnetic energy of your thoughts and feelings pulls similar events and circumstances in your life. To use the law of attraction, you need to understand that your thoughts and feelings are creating your reality. Step 2. Clarifying your dreams. Clarifying what you want to manifest is the first step in using law of attraction. Spend some time thinking about your goals and outline them in writing. Describe what you want and why you want it. And also write how you will feel when these dreams, when these goals will come into reality. And don't forget to write as much details as you can. Step 3 is aligning your thoughts and emotions. After having a clear idea on what you want to manifest in your life, connect it with your thoughts and emotions. This includes focusing on your thoughts for favorable ideas and emotions that will support your goals. Avoid negative emotions and thoughts that takes your attention away from your goals. To convert your negative thoughts and emotions into positive thoughts and emotions, use visualization exercise and positive affirmations every single day. And the last step is taking actions. The law of attraction is not a one-step process. It requires taking actions in order to manifest your desires. It means taking steps towards your dreams and acting as if it's already a reality in your life. The more you focus on your desires and goals and take action towards them, the faster they will come in your life. Remember, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you bring your desires into reality. With practice, you can use law of attraction to create the life which you want. Thank you so much for watching this video.